let's get into making this delicious, quick and easy sharing nachos recipe, guys. Hopefully you're gonna find this simple and easy to make for the whole family, or just when you have friends around. Guys, I've got some tortilla chips and I've got some nut chips. I've got two kind. One is gluten free and one is not. So the tortilla ones are gluten free. So I've got some coriander because I want to make some guacamole. I've got my bell peppers, I've got avocado, I've got half an onion, I've got red onion, and I've got my jalapeno sliced one. I really do like these jalapenos. They're so good. They just bring a little spice. I've got some tomatoes, cherries and full blown tomatoes. All I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna blend everything. So I'm gonna make my paste, not a paste, but I'm just gonna make chop all my peppers, onion. I'm gonna put it all in a blender. Guys, this blender has been, honestly, the blender's been with me for such a long time, guys. If you want to see me unboxing this, go and check out the vid. But this is what I want to get. I just want to kind of mix all the peppers together into a nice paste. The ones on the side, I'm going to just add them over the cherry tomatoes. Just mixing everything. There is no order to this, so everything just goes in one pot. And that is going to be my base sauce for my nachos, my tortilla chips, okay? And this is it right now. Right, let's cook this up. Okay, I've got my avocado oil, which is my preferred oil, perfect for frying and grilling. So all we're gonna do is bam, put it all in there, and that's literally gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't want to use that much oil, you can use less, don't worry. Okay, I've got paprika, peppers. What else do I have? I've got chili powder, and I've got some garlic powder, vegetable seasoning, and I'm gonna add them all in there. If you don't want to add vegetable seasoning and you just want to add salt, guys, you can, but the vegetable seasoning is more than enough for me, so I don't need to add any salt. I'm just gonna, enhance the flavors, and we're gonna just stir and make sure that everything is all blended. That's gonna cook to the side, and let's chop our herbs. So we're gonna chop our coriander, and we've got the lime as well. This right here is for the guacamole. Okay, this is for the guacamole. Very simple. There's different variation of guacamole, guys. If you want to see me making guacamole, check out my video. I've done one in the past, but all I'm doing here, I've got my lime and I've got my coriander, and I'm just gonna make sure that I squeeze the juice out of it. Okay, I'm using 3, but you don't have to. They're quite small, so if you don't want it to be zesty, then use less, but I like it zesty. Okay, I like it quite zesty, and you don't get a lot of juice out of the lime. So there you go. Right, let's move back. So this is simmered down after about 15 to 20 minutes, I would say. So it's a nice simmer down. So we're just literally going to put everything in a pan. So I'm going to start with my tomato and bell pepper paste. I'm going to put it all in there, and I'm going to add the tortilla chips on top. There is no right or wrong way of doing this, guys. You can do whatever. Okay, absolutely do whatever you want, but this is what I'm gonna do. And I've got I'm layering it, so I'll put it on the base, then on top, then on the base, and on top, then on the base, and on top. But yeah, guys, there is no right or wrong way of doing it. This is just what I've done, basically. Have fun with it. I'm gonna chuck all these jalapenos in there because I like it spicy. I like it spicy, so why not? And I've got my mozzarella again, guys. This was the first time I actually used mozzarella. If you need to use some type of other cheese, let me know, and I'm just gonna put it in the oven for about 5 minutes, just for the cheese to melt, because the sauce is cooked. The tortilla chips don't need much, so just 5 minutes. Once it's ready, we're gonna do our guacamole and serve up. Okay, this is the finished product. Look at that. Look at that. It's looking good. 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 Let me know what you think, guys. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, make sure that you click on that subscribe button. Okay, click on that subscribe button if you are a returnee, guys. Thank you so much. I love and appreciate you guys. If you are new and you want to subscribe, please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, but yeah, guys, I bought these avocados. They're so ripened and very, very bruised, but don't you worry, like once it's all blended together, it's gonna be absolutely fine. Okay, so all I'm doing now is cutting all my avocado, and I'm just gonna put it all in a mix together and mash them up. Okay, so if you don't want bruised avocado and you're funny about your avocados being bruised, then make sure that you don't get the bruised one, clearly. But because I knew I was just going to blend it all together and I'm going to eat it all together, I just thought, you know what, I need soft avocados, and I got them. So here we go. I'm just going to add some coriander and I'm going to mash it up well. Guys, I'm not really going to add any salt to this. It's literally going to be avocado, coriander, and the lime. Because the sauce from the tortilla chips has a lot of flavor, I want to minimize my salt intake, so we're not doing too much over here. But I will add my peppers, yeah, the peppers, just for like that extra kick, and that's all I'm doing. Now I think I'm ready to serve up. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like. Brace yourself, okay. So I'm gonna start with the tortilla right, guys, I ended up heating up the other nachos chips in the oven as well. But yeah, get a big scoop if you're having a movie night or you just want something light, something fun. If you want to make something fun, this is a very, very fun recipe. Okay, so much fun, and everybody can get involved. I'm just gonna plate that up, and I'm gonna look at that, guys. If I've used the wrong cheese, let me know what cheese you would use for this recipe. Listen, I just saw mozzarella and I thought, okay, it's cheese, right? Guys, let me know what kind of cheese you would use for this recipe, so maybe next time, you know, I can try a new cheese. But yeah, so this is it, and I'm gonna now add the guacamole on the side, and everything will just merge in well together. You've got the nachos, you've got the sauce, you've got the spice, everything. So guys, I really, really hope you have enjoyed the video. This is very full and delicious. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. If you want to see more content like this, let me know and click the like, thumbs up, subscribe, all of that jazz. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video.